is Shaquilla Stewart, CEO of Walk This Way Movement. Our signature class combines affirmations, posture technique, while learning how to walk and dance wearing heels. But there's a twist, ladies. In my class, the heel represents that your obstacles in life are working as your strength. And we do a simple 8-count dance routine to empower women to persevere through obstacles in the process of pursuing their dreams. Now, you know we can't lead without working the runway. So ladies, if you have a dream, a goal, or vision for your life, and you are afraid to take that walk forward, come walk with me as I empower you to walk through life obstacles like they're your runway. You got this, ladies. Let's go. Chin up, shoulders back, happy face. You got this, girl.